Hey everyone. So today I want to show you how you can use Subtrak's built-in AI feature to write a standard operating procedure for any task in any workflow in your company. So today we're going to write a SOP for one of these tasks in our job site cleanup workflow. So the first step is to find that task. You can click on the workflow. You can click on this task to bring up this task view, this task info window. Now you can see we don't have anything here. It's all blank, right? And we want to fix that. We want to give our team a really good standard operating procedure for how they are supposed to sort and dispose of hazardous material on the job site. So in order to do that, we need to click Edit. This brings up our Edit view. And you may have an idea of how you want this SOP to be. You may already know all of the steps. You may know everything that there is to know about sorting and disposing of hazardous material on the site. But if you'd like a place to start, our AI tool can get you really close to a finished SOP very quickly. Let me show you how that works. So you would come to Apply AI. Now in this little dialog box, you have two options. One, you can type in your prompt. You can talk a little bit about what you want this SOP to be about, and that's completely fine. You can copy and paste some verbiage from somewhere else right into this box. But what I like to do personally is I like to get my ideas out of my head using this speech to text feature. So you're going to click this little microphone, and then you just say what you want this SOP to be about. Let me show you how that works. Can you create a detailed standard operating procedure for sorting and disposing of hazardous material on a commercial job site? I'd like you to include steps for identifying the materials, using appropriate safety gear, and transporting all of the material and the waste to a designated disposal facility. Okay, something like that. Okay, that's very basic. You could go into much more detail than this, but what we're going to do now is we're going to click Submit. And as you can see, Subtrak is thinking and is going to be building your SOP in the background. It's applying all of that information that you're giving it into the standard operating procedure for this task. And just like that, it will spit out a comprehensive standard operating procedure, which is a great starting point for you to create a standard operating procedure. So for this one, it gave us a little task overview. It gave us steps for identifying the hazardous material, using appropriate safety gear, sorting it out, packaging it, transporting it. And so now from here, you can go through and add things like images, right? See this little thing here? It says type or press / for commands. Press a / on your keyboard, and now you can format text. You can add bullet points. You can add lists. You could add a quote, an image. You could embed a YouTube video here. Anything you want to do to make this SOP yours and very customized to your situation. Once you're happy with what you have, all you do is click Save, and all of that SOP is saved right here with this task, right? So it's simple as that. All you have to do is go through on a task-by-task basis, tell our system what you'd like the SOP to be about, and it writes it for you, as simple as that. I hope you find that helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.